Hello everyone, this is Tina from Tina's Workshop, and I'm coming to you from a hotel room in Lafayette, Louisiana. And it will be a quick one. And I know I say that all the time, but it's going to be a quick one because I have two things to show you, and that's it. um, we drove here, so from California all the way out here to Louisiana, so I had a lot of time in the car to be able to work on things. And I'm recording this on my cell phone. I'm going to upload it on my cell phone, so hopefully it all works well. But there will be no editing involved this week. But sitting in the car the whole way, I had lots of time to work on my main project and my secondary one, because when it would get dark, then I would work on the secondary one that I didn't need to look at anything. I'm just kind of trying to straighten it here in my hands. I have told you guys about an order that I got, so it needs to be done by Christmas, and it is for this stocking. So I am just about to start the toe. So I got all the color work done. Actually did I finish the color work yesterday? And then I started the foot. So it is all opened. I still have to seam up the back, and I just started weaving in ends. Fun! But it's coming out actually pretty good. My hands are sore. I am ready to be done with it, but it's almost there. So I'm hoping that maybe I will finish it tonight. Let's see. It's only 6 o'clock right now. So it's 49 degrees. I always got to tell you guys the temperature. It's 49 degrees. It was beautiful today, but it was chilly. But anyway, so I'm hoping to finish this tonight. I just got to finish the toe, weave in the ends and seam that up, and make a little hanger for it. And then my secondary is the Musselburgh hat for my son. And last week I was right there. Gotta pull it back so you can see. So I've done all of this. So when it would get dark, I'd do it. When we're sitting in a restaurant, things like that, I'd work on it. So I think I am just about to start the decrease on the other end. I was measuring it in the car, but I also didn't have my measuring tape. So let's see where we're at, because I know I want at least 20 inches. And I'm at about 19 and a half. So yeah, I'm pretty close to being able to start my decrease. So this one by next week will be done. And so I'm thinking that I might just give it to him for Christmas. I need to work on that. It would be amazing if I could finish that quay scarf with all my travels and maybe get that done and give my boys both the different things for Christmas. They would be really surprised because I've been working on them a while. So yeah, this one's almost done. Stocking's almost done. That's the only thing I've been working on. I've been doing my Advent, my Wonderland Yards Advent, and I paid for that. I'm not sponsored by them, but if you go to my Wonderland Yards videos, you will find discount codes there. But so I've been opening the Advents in the morning before we head out somewhere, and been working on these two projects, and that's the only thing I've been working on right now. I'm trying to get them done. So acquisitions, no, believe it or not, I don't have any acquisitions. I have not gone to any yarn stores yet. Not saying I won't. There is one here in Lafayette. I think there actually might be a couple, but there's one not too far from us, and I would like to stop by it. What's it called, like Bayou Yarns or something. So I would like to stop by there, but I have not actually done it yet. And there's been a few times we've been near yarn stores, but I did not say anything about going because we were trying to travel cross country. So we've seen family and everything else, and it's been a nice trip. So long trip, but nice trip. And lots of time for knitting. That's been the best part. He's been driving the whole time, which means I've gotten to knit a lot. That's awesome. That's like a great vacation for me right there, just getting to sit and knit. So anyway, I hope you guys are all having a really great week, great weekend, and we'll see y'all again soon. Bye.